Hi guys, welcome back to our channel PPO Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel PPO Coder. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen, which has its own categories and the performance of the category by year. Now we will be seeing the output first, and then we will be seeing the deep explanation and the understanding behind the code written to create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. As you see that this is our line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, and this is the output of our code, and we will be seeing the entire code now to understand what all codes has to be written to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So as you can see on the screen that this is our line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, and this is our VBA editor inside which we have created a sub procedure to create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. So let's see each and every line of code, that how these lines of code will help us to create a line stack chart in VBA Excel. So let's get started. So the first line of code which says range e5.select. So this line helps us to select a single cell inside our data set. So as you can see, this is my data set and I have selected a single cell inside it. After that, in the next line, we are going to type ActiveShade.Shapes.Add chart2, and inside the brackets, we are going to give some parameters. So these parameters will help us to create a line stacked 100% chart. So let's see what are they. The first parameter is the chart value. So each and every chart has its own value. For our video to create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, it is 2. And then we are going to separate each and every parameter by a comma, and then now we are going to see what type of chart we are going to create. So the type of chart which we are going to create in this video is Excel line stacked 100 chart. So this is the chart type inside the VBA which understands which it has to be created, which chart it has to be created. So now it understands that we have given the parameter to create a Excel line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. After that, we are going to give the top and the left parameter to position our line stack chart in VBA Excel. After that, we are going to close our bracket, and then we are going to type .select after the bracket. So once you've written this line of code, what this line of code do is, this line of code will create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel, and then it will select the same chart which has created. After that, what we have to do is, now this chart which is created, it doesn't have a desired title, a meaningful title which we want to assign it to the chart title. It does not have the data labels, data tables, etc. So to create and present all these parameters, all these elements inside the chart, what we are going to do is we are going to create a with statement over here. So this with statement helps us to create the chart title, set the elements, etc. Now let's see what this with statement will do. So first we are going to type with active chart over here. So as you can see, we have created and selected our chart over here. So once the chart is selected, it becomes our active chart. That's why we are writing with active chart over here. Once you have written active chart, we are going to mention whether our chart has a title or not. So to do that, you have to type .has title equals to true. Now If you want to skip this line of code, you can, but it is advisable to type this line of code to make your VBA code understand that it has a chart title. After that, we are going to type in the next line what should be our chart title, which means we are assigning the chart title to our chart. So to assign the chart title to our chart, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to, and inside the double inverted comma we are going to give our desired chart title. For our video, I have given as line stacked 100 chart in VBA Excel. After that, we are going to set some elements inside this with statement. Let's see what are they. The first element which we are going to set using dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element data label show. What this line of code will do is this will show the data labels of each and every point inside our line stacked 100% chart over here inside the chart, as you can see over here. And then in the next line we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none, which means this line of code will help us to delete all the grid lines inside our line stack chart. And then what we are going to do is we are going to create this data table. As you can see, the data table is created with its legend keys over here. So to create this table inside a chart, what we are going to do is we are going to type in the next line, which is dot set element, and inside the bracket we are going to give MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code, your table will be created, or your data table will be created inside your chart with the legend keys over here. And then what we are going to do is we are going to delete the value access from here, because we have already shown our data labels of each and every point over here, as you can see. So we have no doubts or no confusion left that what point is at what level, or in at what year or what line. So to delete the value access and make it more presentable, we are going to type dot access, and inside the brackets we are going to type Excel value, and outside the brackets we are going to type dot delete. So this line of code helps us to delete the value access. After that, we are going to type end within the next line, and congratulations, if you have seen this video till here, that means you have learned how to create a line stacked 100% chart in VBA Excel. Now as you can see that you have selected your chart in the beginning of this code or in this video. So to deselect your chart, you have to select any empty cell inside your worksheet. Once you do that, your chart will be deselected. Now if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, please do comment in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.